Alright, YouTube, here we go again. Another DIY fix it at the house. We got a clogged up bathtub. I just pulled out the nastiest, grossest thing from there. I picked up this tool from Home Depot. It's like 13, 14 bucks. It is not self-explanatory. You have to slide this cable through here, tighten this bolt, slide this into your thing, your pipes, and then you'll notice that it has like a little hook on this. So when you twist this, it'll grab the hair and it'll pull it out, because it's always going to be here. So you just hold on to it and you twist it like that. Okay, so that worked somewhat. It actually worked really good. You're gonna get stuck possibly, depending on the type of drain you have. See, you can't push it in there because there's a bend. So you got to reach in here and physically kind of get it past that first bend. That got me to the next bend, and then there's a 90, and I can't get this past that 90. I tried this, which is another tool from Home Depot. It was like $3. This also will not go past that 90-degree bend. So what does that mean? We're gonna have to go gangsta on this. We're gonna go underneath the house. In my house, I have a basement, and we're gonna go take a look. This may come to a surprise to many of you, but in California, there are basements, just in case there's a hurricane. Ah, just kidding. This is a very old house. Let's go into the depths of hell. Maybe we'll find Hellboy down here. Please ignore the mess. There's one of my vintage skateboards. Please ignore the complete and utter mess that is down here. I promise I'm not a hoarder. But this is where my pipes are at. And cool thing is that I can actually stand up in here. Standing up in my basement. Woohoo! So this is what we got going on here. We got a trap right here. That is that 90-degree angle I was talking about, that is getting where it's getting stuck at. There's the first one, there's the bathtub. It actually has a curve, so I'm kind of surprised why it's getting stuck, but this is actually glued, so we're not going to disconnect that. You can see that glue there. This is the only joint that we can disconnect. This is glued, that's glued, but this has a joint, so we're going to disconnect it right there. Hopefully that'll drain the tube. Let's see what happens. Make sure you got yourself a bucket. Catch the water that's going to come out. Get yourself some channel locks. Yep. Let's see. Once you break it, it'll be hand tight, so you can just loosen it up by hand. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, there goes the water. All right. Woo! Ah! I don't know if you guys can see that. So this is like a trap. It's called the trap because it's supposed to trap particles that come and they'll settle down here and won't go down the rest of your pipe system. So let me show you what I found. That's pretty gross. Sorry, I had to show you that. Okay, let's put this rag here. Take this damn thing out. That is fucking gross. Ugh. Ugh. Should have brought the snake down here too. Okay. All right. Whew. Okay. That should be good. And there you go. Just saved yourself, I don't know, at least $100. Any plumber is gonna charge you at least that much just to come to your house. I just spent 30 minutes. There we go. Done. 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 Disgusting. Disgusting. Go out in the light. Go upstairs so you can see. And this is only half. There was another ball of this crap upstairs. Look at that. It's all hair. Oh my God, that's gross. Anyways, I decided to take my hat off for this last part of the video so you can see I am not the culprit of this issue. All right, let's see if it worked. See all the dirty nastiness from the water that did not drain. Looks like it's working to me. Woohoo! Yeah, I highly recommend getting a screen for your drain. You can see that the minerals in the water has actually corroded the crossbar that's in there to prevent large objects. So depending on where you live in the country, you might have different minerals. Here in Southern California, a lot of calcium, I believe, and other minerals. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace. Hit the like and subscribe button for more DIY. All right, YouTubers. First of all, some of you might have this tool. It's only $3. It works good for some problems, but if you need bigger guns, there are many options. Here's the one that I picked up. I think it was 13 bucks. It does not come with any instructions, and it's super confusing to figure out. I'm gonna show you how to use it. Comes with this tool. You take the cable, you slide it in here. And right now you're probably going, oh, okay. If you're only gonna need a couple of feet of it, then I would suggest sliding it all the way through and just have a couple of feet sticking out, okay? Once you get it, then you tighten up this bolt, and that's gonna clamp down the cable. Okay, turn it till it stops, and then you stick this into your pipe, and then you just go like this. And it's gonna grab the hair with the little screw up on top, and then you just pull it out. Boom, you're done. That's how I use it. Anyways, that's another DIY video. Hope this helped you out. Peace.